Hello, welcome to my home lab. In this new video, I want to explain how to merge branches in Git and resolve conflicts with Visual Studio Code. We start the video on the Git website. You see the latest version is 2.50.0. We have also information, Git branching and merging. We go to our GitHub account and you see here all the repositories from previous videos. I open Visual Studio Code, do an open remote window, connect current window to host, our Fedora server. You see we are connecting and it's okay. First thing we do is to open a new terminal and do git version. See, we use the latest version 2.50.0. Then we want to create a directory for our project. So we do ls. You see the directories from previous videos. We do programming. ls. Again, directories from previous videos. We go to Git projects. ls. Again, things from previous videos. We create a new directory and call here Git Merge. Okay, ls. And you see we have our directory. Now we can open Explorer, open folder, programming, Git projects, Git merge. Okay. And you see we opened an empty folder. Create new file, text 01. Enter. Now we can go to source control, publish GitHub to GitHub. The name, you can change that if you want. You have the choice between private repository and a public one. I choose public. You select the files. We only have one selected. Okay. Publishing, and it's okay. You see it here. We can go to our browser, refresh, and you see Git Merge. Open it, one file, of course empty, and one branch. Okay. Now we go back to Visual Studio Code and we create a new branch. Click on main here. Click on it, create new branch here, open it, the name, test branch. Okay. And you see the branch is changing. We go again to our Explorer and create a new file in the test branch. Open new file, text 02. Enter. You see we have one new commit, create text .2. Okay, commit, publish branch, okay, and it's okay. Go back to our browser, refresh. Our main branch, text 01, and test branch, text 01 and text 02. All the two text files are empty in all the branches. See, all empty. Okay. Now we go back to our Visual studio code and put some data in the text files. We go back to the main branch. See it here, main. See? Always here is the active branch. As you can see, text 02 don't exist here. You go to text 01 and to line 01. Save it, Control S, and commit it. So update text 01. Commit it and sync it. Okay, now we change the branch to test branch. Yes, see it here, the active branch. You see text 01 is empty and text 02 exists here. So we edit text 01, line 10. Save it, Control S, and commit it. Update text 01 from test branch. To be clear. Okay, commit it and sync it. Yes, we also edit text 02, line 10. Save it, Control S, and commit it. So update text 02 from test branch. Okay, commit it and sync it. Now we go back to our main branch. As you can see, text 02 don't exist here. Text 01 is line 01. Now we merge the test branch to the main branch. It means we put them together. So we are in the main branch. We go here, right? Click on the three button, go to branch, merge. So merge means put two branches together. Merge. Select a branch to merge from. So we are in the main branch and we want to merge from test branch. Click on test branch, okay. And as you can see, we have a problem. Show changes, okay. And we click on resolve in merge editor. Okay, see here text 01 and again text 01 but from the main branch. Here are the main branch, here is the test branch, and down here is the result. So if everything we put here, it's going to be that. So what we can do, accept incoming, we click on it, you see line 10. We can accept current, you can see line 01 is added, but it's not in the right order. So we go back, reset, we do accept current, and then accept incoming from here. So line 01 and line 10. You can go back if you only want the test branch, accept incoming, and complete merge, you're gonna have line 10. If we do like that, we're gonna have line 1. I want, and also accept combination current first. You see here, you have both, but you have first the main branch, second the test branch. So you have a lot of possibilities. If you have more conflicts, you can go to a second conflict. Go to next unhandled conflict or previous, but you only have one, so it's not working. If you okay with the result here, click commit complete merge, click on it. You have a message, merge branch, test branch. You can change that, but for me that's okay. Continue and sync changes. Okay, if we go now to our browser, we refresh. We are at the main branch. We have text 01 and text 02. Text 01 have line 01 and line 10. So we have the data from both branches. Text 02 only have one line, line 10. If we go to test branch, it's going to be the same, but not the data from main branch. Only line 10 and line 10. See it here? So the test branch is not changed. The main branch is the data from the main branch and the data from the test branch. So we are at the end of this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you very much and see you later.